Hey, welcome back. My name is Jennifer, and here on my channel I like to chat about all things beauty and makeup, and today it's a project pan. That's right, ladies, gentlemen, other peoples. I am starting my rolling project 10 pan today. Also, please ignore that light up there. It is a pain to take up and down, and it is how I film overhead things on that vanity back there. Makes my life so much easier. So, I think most, if not all of these, are in my rolling project, are in my 25 and 2025. I actually have to film this really quick before I get back to work, so I will be taking hopefully some B-roll of this this weekend before I post this, but if not, hopefully you'll forgive me and I'll do a better job next month. Fingers crossed. So the first item that I have, let's start with primers. I actually have two. I have the Tarte C primer, and this is like a kind of like a gel consistency. I keep thinking I am done with this, but it just keeps going. I really thought I would have finished it in 2024. I've used this at least 10 times since I decided I was gonna put it in my 25 and 2025, and that was back in 2024. And yeah, it still is going strong. I think I'm gonna cut this apart and depot it into a jar. If I do that, I'll take a picture of what the jar looks like before I start, but I feel like this should be a gimme product. It's hydrating, and I should be able to finish it by next month. We'll see. And then the other, which I didn't even say what this is. This is the Tarte C Quench Primer. I think it's been discontinued, as Tarte does with everything I fall in love with. And then I have the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer. And I don't know that I will ever be able to finish this, but I would like to get as much of this used up as I can before it goes bad. So on this one, I'm just going to be tracking progress. I imagine we'll have it rolled in for the whole year, but hopefully that's exciting to see the progress as we, work our way through it this year. And then I have foundation. I have two foundations to start. Now, this Tarte Face Tape foundation is in the shade 12N Fair Neutral, and it is actually right here. When I started panning this last year, it was like here. I opened this last year, so I have panned all of it within the last year, but when I started actively measuring it, it was right here. So this is where we are right now. I don't imagine I have too much use left on this, but I use it as a mix-in with the Ordinary foundation, which looks like right now it is about at this line that I made right there. So I'm actually gonna shake this up because I have to keep it shaken up when I use it. And so when I shake it, you can't really see where it is. So it's gonna be really important. I try to let this settle like a day before I film my next update. This is the Ordinary Coverage Foundation in the shade 1NS. Hopefully I can just get this done. If not, If not, I'm going to get as much work on this as I can before it goes bad. I don't enjoy it anymore, so I really should have decluttered it, but the stubborn person in me was like, that's not that much left, I can finish it. Oh, Polly. Then I have my NYX Wonder Stick. This is in the shade Fair, And I guess we'll measure like this in case I can't get good B-roll. That's a pretty good spot for me to start next time to compare. That's what it looks like rolled all the way down. I'm only working on the contour side. The highlight side fell out a long time ago, and it fell on the floor, and I don't know why I never decluttered it, but now I did. There's nothing about it that intrigues me. I don't really like cream highlighter. I didn't know that when I purchased this. Like, I wasn't 100% that I didn't like it in stick form. I now can confirm, don't like it. So that is in here to finish. Everything I think is in here to finish. Yeah. Just understanding that I probably won't finish this year, but hopefully satisfying to see the progress on the Acne Fighting Putty Primer. So next I have my Ulta Matte Eye Primer in the shade Nude. So this is what it looks like, and it looks like, girl, you're almost done with that. Why are you rolling it in? No. First of all, eye primer takes forever to pan. Well, maybe not for other people, but it does for me and for some of the people I've watched pan it. So when I roll this down, it looks like we're actually more right about here. So we'll see. I would guess that I have at minimum another 6 months of use in this. And then I have 3 more eye products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's right. I counted these 2 as one product since I used them together, the 2 foundations. That light is driving me crazy. I don't know what its problem is. Okay, I tried to make sure the plug was maybe a little tighter in the outlet. No, that didn't help. Then I have the ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Brouhaha. This is all I have left. I want to finish that. I don't want it to fall out. I want to actually finish it. It's just a really dark brown. I don't like how thick this one is, and like it's so brown and it's thick, and I just find it like really smokes out looks. So I just want to finish this and be done with it and never buy another ColourPop cream gel liner again. Somebody remind me of that, pretty please. Thank you. Then I have this Billion Dollar Brows dual-sided pencil. And for this one, this is like one side is like a concealer shade for me and the other side is like a highlighter. I just want to work on this until it is done, or at least until the caps touch each other. I think I may still work on it past that, but at the very least, that is my goal, is to make it till the caps touch. It is shamefully very, very old. And then I have the Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ladybird. This is what it looks like currently. It is a gorgeous Super Shock shade. And I would like to hit pan on this. And that is what it looks like swatched out. A very basic champagne glittery shade, but very beautiful. And then finally, I have 2 lip products. The first one is a ColourPop lippy pencil in the shade Lumiere. And let's see, I think when it gets to about here is where it's done. I think when it gets to about here in the name ColourPop is where it's done. That's about where they end for Erin Taylor, so that's what I'm going off of. So I have a good bit of use left on this, but I also feel like I've made pretty decent progress so far. So we'll track how far I get, and hopefully we'll be able to finish this in the next few months. I'm realistic. I know I'm not going to finish that in a month, but hopefully I will at least make enough progress that it will be measurable next month. And then finally, the last item that I have is my Sigma lip gloss in the shade Passionate. It looks like we are about right there right now. I'm going to put a fresh piece of tape on here and mark it. I thought I was much further at one point, but I'm definitely, nope, it settles to about right there. So the goal is to finish this one. I think it's going to take quite a long time on this one, so buckle up, we're in for a long ride on that. And that's it. That is everything for my Rolling Project 10 pan. My intention is to update this monthly. If you're also doing a Rolling 10 pan, let me know in the comments below so I can go check you out and cheer you on. And if you like this video, or if you like me, if you like project panning, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more makeup and beauty content from me, hit that subscribe button and I'll have more coming at you. I hope wherever you are, you have a wonderful day. Bye.